Hi everyone, I'm Rick Zanotti, and today we are doing a quick test of the Canon EOS R, which is probably about 25 feet from me. So the Canon EOS R has pretty good autofocus, dual pixel autofocus. We're just going to test what it does as things move. So I'm going to move a little towards the camera at a fairly good clip. I'm going to turn around. So if I go there, come here, come back up. So as I move around, it should be keeping my focus as I come around. If I turn around, it should still have a box around the back of my head. As I turn, it should be back. As I get close, I'm pretty close. It's probably blurry when I get that close. We are using the Tamron 24 to 70 millimeter. I'm going to come in here. So I'm just standing against something now. So I'm going to walk towards him, but at an angle. We did some tests yesterday and it worked pretty well, but this time we're doing different angles on it. One of our viewers said, "Look good, but you should have had different angles," which we should have. And we're good. So now we're indoors, and what we have is a backlit situation. Now Canon's not the best at handling backlit on the sensors, so let's see how it does, especially with focus. So let's see how that does. That's with a backlit and sensor, 24 to 70 millimeter, like we've been shooting before. And for the last test, we're now indoors in a conference room. We have a Aperture 120D version 2 with the, what is that one called? The mini dome? The mini dome. It's pretty big still. For mini, it's kind of large. So anyway, that's pointing at me here. Focusing okay?
Yeah, it seems to be losing it this time. I don't know.
Oh, it's losing us. We don't have enough light. You want to put the backlight behind you on? All right, so let's see if it can keep focus. Hi. Is it working? We will find out soon. But so far from our tests, Canon does a pretty good job of focusing. This is the dual pixel autofocus, the Canon EOS R again, 24 to 70 millimeter Tamron. So that's it for this test. The Canon EOS R, for the most part from our previous tests, seemed to do a good job. Harold, what do you see on this one? Is it doing a pretty good job?
Yeah, it's doing pretty well this time.
All right, so he said it's doing pretty well. We will find out. As you watch the video, you'll learn what we learn because we think it's doing pretty well. The box will stay on me as I turn. Box on?
Yes.
And back. And in video mode, this is pretty good. 24 to 70 millimeter Tamron is a beautiful lens. It's a very good, sharp lens, very clean, very quiet. I'm not really hearing a lot of focus motor. Are you hearing it up there?
Just a tad.
Just a tad. It's not a bad lens at all. I used to have this lens on an old Nikon D750, old, yeah, 4 years ago. A Nikon D750. It was beautiful. I took some shots in New York with it that were just gorgeous. Anyway, that's it. I'm Rick Zanotti for Tech Down Over. We will see you next time. Actually, the next video we'll be doing will be in a couple of days when the new firmware comes out for the Canon EOS R, which is supposed to add eye focus. That's going to be interesting. We'll see how that works. Have a good one, everyone. Bye-bye.